Forget all chicken recipes. Discover the best recipe of all time. Place the chicken thighs into a baking dish. Make a cut in them like this. Now place all of them into the dish. Look at how delicious this is. With all the thighs in, season with salt. Add ground black pepper as well. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Also add olive oil to taste. This helps make the chicken thighs very tender and juicy. Add all the olive oil. Now mix everything with your hands until the seasoning is well combined. Turn the chicken thighs from side to side like this until the seasoning is fully incorporated. You can use whatever seasonings you have at home. Use the basic seasonings you prefer, the ones you like the most. Use whatever you have available. Once the seasoning is well combined with the chicken thighs, transfer the chicken to another container. In a skillet, add a generous drizzle of olive oil. Fry the chicken to make it crispy and juicy. Start placing the chicken in the skillet. As you add the chicken, the oil will heat up. Or if you prefer, heat the oil first. Then add the chicken. Place it evenly like this. Let the chicken brown well on one side. It is already nicely browned on one side. Now turn the chicken thighs so the other side can brown as well. This helps make the chicken even crispier. Turn all of them like this. A crust has formed, making the chicken very juicy. In the center, add 1 sliced onion. Cut it into half moons. Also add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Now use a spatula to mix everything very well. Lightly saute the garlic and onion. This will add excellent flavor to the chicken. Or if you prefer, saute them separately from the chicken. Just keep mixing well. Now add soy sauce. Add white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add honey. Add 1 tablespoon. Add 1/2 cup of water. Mix all these ingredients again. Together with the onion, the garlic, and the chicken. This will make everything very juicy and create a well-seasoned chicken. This chicken is very easy to make at home, and it uses ingredients you already have in your refrigerator. Mix everything well with the chicken. Now cover and let the chicken cook for 15 minutes. The chicken has now cooked very well for 15 minutes. Look at this. What a delicious chicken. It becomes very juicy and extremely tender. Spoon the sauce over the chicken like this while it is still bubbling. You will notice the unique flavor this chicken has. A chicken very different from all the others. You can also add other sauces. Add ketchup. Add barbecue sauce instead of honey. Make it at home the way you like best. I am sure you will love this chicken made this way because it turns out incredibly delicious. The sauce becomes very creamy. It is absolutely delicious. Now just serve the chicken with your favorite side dish. It turns out amazing